Okay, let's look at bonding and insurance requirements. Most PI licensing programs out there will require some level of a surety bond. Usually it's going to be $10,000 or more, but I believe most are right around $10,000. The annual cost is approximately $100 a year for a $10,000 bond. A bond, you need to remember, is protection for your client. It's protection for the consumer. It doesn't protect you. So if you get a $5,000 retainer from your client and you run off to Tahiti, your client can go after your bond for their money. That bond company will then be visiting you in Tahiti to figure out what's going on. Now, some licensing programs will require liability insurance as well. Not all, but some of them do. Even if it is not required, I highly recommend that you obtain a good liability insurance program. This protects you and it protects your business. If you do not have it, it could be decided that you should have had it, and therefore somebody may be able to come after you personally for liabilities, such as go after your house,